Hi guys, Amy here from That Teaching Spark, and I'm just going to show you really quickly how to use these assignment slides in Google Slides. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the side and decide on which layout you want. So what layout will work best for you. You can change any of the boxes, you can change their sizes, you can delete them, you can do whatever you need to make the layout work for you. Once you've chosen your layout, then you're going to want to go to the personalization slides, and these are going to be basically the large titles you can choose from, and then you can also choose the subjects, days of the week, and then the subjects and everything that you want for your slides. So it's completely up to you how you want them. You can see in this one I have just Monday, and then I have each subject, whereas this one I have it as weekly assignments, Monday through Friday, and then I have the subjects that I need. So you can do whatever you need with that. So to do that, all you need to do, let's say I choose this layout right here. I'm going to go choose, let's say I want to say weekly agenda. So I'm going to click on it, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go to my slide, I'm going to paste it, and you'll notice you're going to have to resize it to make it the size that you want. Now Google is very finicky with pictures, so you're going to have to play with it a little bit to get it the size that you want. And let's see, just have to mess with all of those little bars right there. Okay, now you'll notice it's hanging over these boxes, and I'm going to have a lot of trouble when I'm trying to click into these boxes to type and everything later. So I would suggest as soon as you put a picture in, click on it to get it highlighted, go up to arrange, go to order, arrange, order, thank you, and send to the back. So now when I click in this, I'm not going to have the issue of running into this picture. Now, once I've chosen that, I can go over and choose which subjects I want. So let's say I want reading. I'm going to, again, copy it. I'm going to then paste it. And again, I'm going to have to move it where I want it. I'm going to have to resize it if I need to. So if I needed to resize it, I can make it whatever size I want. And you're going to come in contact with other things that you're going to have to mess with. That's why Google's just very finicky. So have patience while you're working with it, like that. Get it just right how you want it. And then, same thing, I'm going to go to arrange, order, and I'm going to send it to the back. Now when I put a text box in here, so I'm going to go to insert, text box, and then I'm just going to outline how large I want my text box. Now when I try to type in here, I'm not going to run into the reading portion. Now I can tell kids, can give them whatever assignment that I need to. I can resize the fonts and everything, change the fonts, and let's say I want to put a link in there for them. So I can highlight it, I can go up here to insert, go to link, and then type in your link. A lot of times if it can recognize it, it will come up for you. Otherwise you just type in the link right here. So I'm going to apply it. Now it will take the kids straight to there once they click on this. So do that for all of your slide or all of your parts on here that you need for each subject or whatever you've decided. Once you've gotten that taken care of and you have your slide the way you want it, you're going to want to go up here and you're going to want to make a copy of the selected slide. You want to make a copy of this because you don't want to obviously send your entire presentation to your kids, and you want to have an original where you can go back and fix things and all that kind of stuff. Once you have that, go into that document, and then there are two different ways that you can save this to give it to your kids. I put directions right here for you, but basically one thing you can do is go up to File, Save or Download as a PDF, and then it will download that document and they can click on the links and it will still work if you upload it into Google Classroom or you email it or whatever you do for PDFs. Another thing that you can do, which I can't show every part of this, is if you go up here to the top, you're going to notice that little 3 vertical dots that look like a little snowman. If you click on that, you'll see this part right here that says New Incognito Window. If you go and share and you get your link, so you need to make sure that anyone with the link can view this. You want to copy the link. So copy the link, paste it in there. So let's do that really quick. Copy link, okay. Now I'm going to paste it into the New Incognito Window. You'll be able to see part of this. Don't want to show everybody my link here. And what I'm going to do is at the top, I'm going to put edit as paste. And I'll show you what or not as paste, geez, as present. I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Okay, once I put it to present, and I'll show you what I mean. So right here, like if this was the actual link, I would change edit right here and I would just type present. So I'd literally just delete those letters and type present, and this is how it's going to show up to your kids. So if this was the only slide that I had in present mode, then they would still be able to click on the document to be able to go wherever they need to. So that's another way you can give them this if you want to. You can also upload it into Google Classroom and save them a copy of it. But I notice when I've done that before, kids like mess with, the wording, or they delete something on accident and everything. So figure out the best way for you. So I hope that was helpful for you. Have patience with pictures in Google. That's just the way it is. And have a fantastic year.